Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode we're going to be cooking Texas Style BBQ Sauce. It's got a nice little bite to it. To start, finely dice half an onion. Then dice 2 sticks of celery. Crush and dice 3 cloves of garlic. In a pot, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Allow it to melt a little before adding the celery and onion. Cook them down until they begin to soften. Next, add the garlic, only cook it for about 20 seconds. Stir it through. Then crumble 1 beef stock cube. Add 1 cup of water. Stir until the stock cube dissolves. Next, add half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of English mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey. This beautiful honey is from my old man, the bush bee man. 1 tablespoon of paprika, chilli powder, a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Stir it all through and allow the sauce to simmer on low for about 15 minutes. To make sure to get rid of any lumps, blend the sauce in a food processor. Pour it into a bottle or jar and allow to cool, and there you have it, Texas Style BBQ Sauce. It has a beautiful kick to it and I love using it on brisket tacos. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments. Before I go, I want to mention a product my mum and dad have on their website. It's a cutting board conditioner. By rubbing a little into your cutting boards, it'll bring them back to life. It's all natural and help your wooden chopping boards last a lot longer. The link will be in the comments.